If you're watching this video, chances are you're looking for ways to improve your cinematography. Today, I will be revealing 5 easy shots that you can use to make your videos look more cinematic. There are many more shot types than this, so don't forget to subscribe not to miss another video like this. Also, I have a version of these videos as Instagram Reels, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter to stay updated. Here are 5 shots to make your videos more cinematic. Number 1. Shoot from waist height or lower. Is this the right way to shoot? Wrong. I remember the last time you saw a Hollywood movie? Chances are the shots were recorded from a low angle. A few years ago, I met a friend that used to work in television production. She gave me many tips on how to improve my videos, including using Final Cut Pro and this tip, which is shooting from the waist height. It gives the illusion of using a wide angle lens and makes the shot look a lot more cinematic. Number 2, shoot during golden hour. This tip alone will give you more cinematic shots. Because the sun is lower in the sky, it allows for a subtle but universal soft lighting that makes your subject look more flattering. Plan your shoot to take place an hour before sunset or an hour after sunrise. Shooting your subject with the sun to the side or at a 45-degree angle to the side can create split lighting and also is quite flattering and cinematic. Backlight your subject to create a silhouette. You can also shoot landscapes early when there's less people about. Use shadows to your advantage by using them to compose your shots rather than working against you. Number 3, composition. Layer with background and foreground. This is an interesting way to set up a shot. Find something interesting in the foreground to contrast against the background. It creates context for your shots, and it's not hard to do and used many times in Hollywood movies. Number 4, get plenty of close-ups. This is extremely easy to do. Just get as close to your subject as you possibly can. Close-ups are a great way to show attention to detail and brings me smoothly into this last step. Number 5, POV shots. Shoot shots from an interesting perspective, from an interesting point of view. Shoot from something high like a balcony or a lookout. Move the camera. Use the layering effect to give it interesting perspective. Start a sequence with a close-up shot to grab the attention of the audience, then cut into an establishing shot. Shoot shots the opposite way to how you would normally think of it. Instead of this shot of myself opening the fridge, I start the sequence by placing the camera in the fridge. It's an interesting perspective, a POV shot. Remember, you can have a shot that is technically correct, but artistically boring. Cinematography is just an art, just as much as it is technical. So don't forget to have fun, and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter.